Hello, and welcome to our video presentation on how to complete configuration for standalone. First, only a user with supervisor or super user rights will be able to log into configuration. By default, we include a user named admin with no password who has this access right. It's recommended once you complete your user and department's configuration that you add a password to the admin user to prevent non-admin users from accessing your application settings. Okay, let's get started. There are 3 places you can access the configuration utility. First, on the computer you install the main server files. In a folder labeled Server, open Client Files and launch tshdconfig.exe. This will open a logon screen. Second, on a computer that you installed a client, go to the Client folder and launch tshdconfig.exe. Third, log into HelpDesk with your client. From the Options menu, select Configuration Utility. This will open and log in automatically if you logged in as a user with supervisor and/or super user rights. Select Contact Manager option. Next, select Launch Contact Manager Connection Settings. Next, select Standalone option, then click the Save button. This will return you to the Contact Manager options. Next, by default, we have already included the standard Contact Manager field mappings, but you can add up to 7 additional fields of data, which 2 would be searchable. Example, your clients have a unique store number that IDs them. But before you can map these fields, you need to create them first, which is done in the section labeled Manage Custom Fields. Here you can create as many fields as you need, and you can always come back and add more down the road when the need arises. Tip: you should never delete custom fields. We recommend you remove them from being accessed. Deleting any field that has data could cause issues in the software. Now you need to place your custom fields onto a layout. This is in the section labeled Custom Fields Layout. Here you will create tabs and place your fields on the tabs. These tabs and fields will only be seen from the contact record. Create a tab to place the fields. Here you can get creative and create tabs for different areas. So let's get started and create your first tab. First, you will have a blank tab. Select Insert Contact Field from the side menu to open your custom fields you just created. Select a field and place it onto the tab grid and repeat for each field you want to place. Once placed, you can size them as you wish. Once you set 2 or more fields, you can right-click on the field and set a tab order. Once you have placed your fields and have finished, save your settings by clicking OK. Next is the Inquiry Custom Field Layout Designer. These tabs and fields will be seen only from the inquiry record. You can add as many tabs as you like, and add as many fields to the tabs as needed. If you are adding a Contact Manager field, you can set the field as read-only or allow editing. Any changes on this field from the inquiry will update in real time back to the contact record. To start, click on New Tab. You will see 7 system tabs. Standard View 1, 2, and 3 are predefined field layout and ready to go. You just assign which field goes in that position. Each predefined tab has 14 field slots. These can be Contact Manager fields or inquiry fields. Select the field mapping and click on the ellipse button to open the list of available fields to select from. Do not change the field mapping value, but you can change the prompt. Select if users will be allowed to edit the field and what type of field it is. Please be sure to use the correct field type. Example, if you have a character field mapped, and then select to validate the field as a date, it will cause errors. When mapping the built-in inquiry fields, we provide 5 date fields, 4 memo fields, 10 number fields, and 10 text fields. If you want to design your own field layout, click on New Custom Tab. Label the tab and then start adding items to the tab grid, same as you did with custom field layout. Click on Add Item. This will open fields to add. Select the type of field you want to add, then click OK to open the field source options. Inquiry data fields are the same fields available in the predefined layout grid. Contact Manager fields, which are your custom fields, and an extra set of fields, Inquiry Status fields. These were designed to work with the Inquiry Status Publisher, but you can utilize these additional fields without the publisher add-on. Tip: when creating inquiry fields, you should allow editing, or no one will be able to enter value from the Open Inquiry screen. Next is the last option for configuration, which is the Advanced Preferences. The only option here for standalone is to enable relinking. Relinking is a global setting and a per-user security rate. This feature allows users to relink an inquiry from one contact to another contact. Example: the user created a new inquiry for the wrong company. Without having to redo the inquiry, you can simply right-click on the inquiry from the queue and select the relink option. This will open the search window to find the correct company. All the notes, time logs, and links are moved to the new contact. That's it! You just completed the basic configuration for standalone HelpDesk. You can find more details about configuration in our user's guide or explore our YouTube channel for more videos. If you have any questions, we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for your time.